Hi everyone, it's Peggy from Peggy's Tropical Garden. Thanks for joining me. It's time for a road trip. Today I'd like to take you with me plant shopping at Home Depot and Lowe's. I live on an island in the Florida Keys, so this means going to the mainland and into Miami, all for plant love. With the beautiful scenery, I don't mind a bit. This is my favorite part of the trip, the way it looks like you're just driving up into the heavens and then you get to the top and you get to see the water. I love it. Now that I've shared a little bit of my world, on to the plants. This used to be my go-to place for plants, but lately I've had no luck. Hopefully that's about to change. So the first thing I see is just the regular run-of-the-mill Phalaenopsis orchids that they always carry. Nothing standing out. And there's lots of flowers. Here's some spider plants. They are $14.98. Not bad at all. I see they've put out some flowers. These were not here last time I visited, so looks like they have some new stuff. Lots of ferns here. Let me check out some of these houseplants up here. Lots of golden pothos, that's all I see. And clearly that sign is not for these plants. These are $14.98 for the golden pothos. The usual aloe and agave plants, these are all the same ones that they tend to carry on a regular basis, at least at this store. But that price, $6.98, that's the lowest I've ever seen. They're usually about $15. Look at this little lime tree. How cute is that? Look at how many limes are on there. Never seen anything that small have so much fruit. And $22, not bad at all. And look at all the pretty flowers. The elephant ears are amazing. This is my new fascination. I really don't have anywhere that I can think of to put them, but they keep getting my attention, and the price isn't bad at all. Look at that. These look like philodendron. They look very healthy, nice size plant. How much are these? Let's see here. Yeah, Rojo Congo. Oh, not a bad price at all. These are so pretty. Look at the colors on this one. I love all the bright greens. It reminds me of a neon pothos. Very nice. I love it. Moonlight. Not bad at all. These are really good prices on these, especially for what you would pay online for them. I'm going to walk right past these Bromeliads. I don't need them. I'm going to act just like I don't see them. Keep it moving, girl. Oh, man, look at this one, though. This is so cute with the white banding. There's one like this I really want. This is not it, though, but wow, this is nice. I like that. $13.98, not bad. Heliconia here, some birds of paradise. Let's see, $13. You can always find crotons here, but they don't have a lot of variety. It tends to be just the same kind. And I'm looking for some of those different ones that you really don't see much. Every now and then they get them in. Same with the Dracaena. I love them though. I love the color that they add to your garden, that deep, rich burgundy. I love it. $13. Not bad either. Of course, I found mine at Walmart for $6 or $8. Let's take a look at the crispy babies. Seems like lately they've had so many burned up plants here. Goodness. Yeah, look at this hibiscus. I always hesitate now. My daughter calls them hot biscuits because she's a nut. And so I always get ready to say hot biscuits. But they have several over here. But there's one, a Hawaiian, that I really want. Hibiscus Hawaiian. Look at this. Not bad, not bad. I'd like to see better, lower prices on these clearance plants, though. Let's see. Nothing catching my eye at all. And what is this over here on this paper? Oh, they're going to have standardized prices for their clearance rack. That makes sense. Are Lowe's doing that on your clearance plants? All right, time to move on. Home Depot, here we come. Stop succulents. Look at all of these. They look so good. Lots of strings of bananas. Look at these Echeveria. They are $9.98 and they're looking good. I mean, a good size. They're in good shape. Depot, I love you. Love you even more if you had something I don't have. That's my problem. I'm having a hard time finding things I don't have, and I'm trying not to be just excessive and keep buying the same things. I need some variety in my life. Oh, what is this? I'm pretty sure it's a Euphorbia, but I have never seen one before with those big thorns, those big spikes. Wow, look at that. Everything else over here, never seen that either. Okay, and more pothos. Everywhere has golden pothos. They are abundant, clearly. Look at these ZZ plants here. They are huge. $30. That's a good price also for as much plant as you're getting. They cost much more online. Now, these are interesting looking. I've never seen them before. Ferns. Very nice. Look at this one. Very cute, cute, cute. I like that. Oh, I see the Cebu blue pothos. Very nice. Starting to find those a lot here. Let's see. $14.98. Yeah, that's what I paid for mine. Now, I've never seen pitcher plants in a big box store before, and they have several of them here, and they're in good shape. Nice, nice. And I can't even look at the orchids today because I might accidentally buy one. Keep it moving. I don't know what this is, but I like it. I love the speckled leaves. Let's see if I see a tag on it. And I can't get through the jungle to see it, but that's cute. And here's some Canna Lilies. I'm starting to really like those. Look at these leaves. Just the leaves alone are absolutely beautiful. Let's see. $15.98. Not bad. Wow, look at the Tropicana gold ones. These leaves are amazing. I love it when the leaves themselves can add to your garden. This is similar to the Hawaiian hibiscus that I'm looking for. That flower, not quite. $29.88. I should have gotten it when I saw it. This is really close to it. This might be it. I don't know. But I love the different hibiscus. I really do. And look at this red one over here saying, look at me, look at me. Beautiful. You know you look good, girl. Oh, this one is so gorgeous though. I'm loving it. Home Depot showed me some things today. Now let me show you what I bought. Now, I've never heard of a Euphorbia zyto before, but when I saw this in the store, I was like, oh, that is so cool looking. I love Euphorbia. This is so cool looking. The leaves are like flat, totally flat, and it's just so cool. You look at it one way and you see it, and you look at it the other way and it kind of disappears because you just see the thin, narrow side of it. I think this is really cool looking, and if you know me, you know I like odd plants. And look at that, it has little leaves. I guess that's the flowering of it. I don't know. And then I picked up these Canna Lily Tropicana Gold. I really like these. I have them sitting in my garden already trying to get them acclimated. It's so hot here still. They're burning up and everything, and they're in the shade side. So anyway, I'm still trying to get those acclimated. I bought 2 of them, and they were $15.98. That Euphorbia you saw was 18 something, 19 bucks. But yeah, I'm counting on these to really add some color and texture to the garden. And the veining in the leaves is amazing. Believe it or not, self-control prevailed, and that's all I purchased. I hope you enjoyed the road trip. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and make sure you take time out to do something fabulous in your garden. Bye-bye.